Alright everybody, so it's been a couple days. A bunch of progress has been made on the Miata, but that's not actually what we're doing in today's video. We're working on the FRS over there. I got a new intake for it, as you can see from the video title, so stick around. I'm going to go ahead and put that in. Quick update on the Miata though. Everything's all set except one of the sensors down there, the crank position sensor. Being 21 years old, decided it didn't want to be anymore, so it is no longer with us. Fucking rip. So now we're gonna go ahead and do something on the FRS for a change. I don't know if this intake's going to do anything, but you know, it's worth a shot. It'll make some cool sounds and get rid of the turbulent air from the stupid pipe, so, you know, upgrades, people, upgrades. Okay, so we gotta start with removing this one here. Gotta get that hose clamp off. This right here, which is a 10 mil. And then there's probably some more that I can't see. Yeah, there's another 10 mil right there. And I think, honestly, that's probably it. I need to take this off and pull out all this garbage because I don't really care about it. I don't know. Might leave it in just in case I sell the car or hold on to it in the future, but that's just an intake tube and it's kind of stupid, so we're gonna go ahead and pull this out. If I sound out of breath, it's like 100 degrees out here, so that's why. But I'm gonna start working on this right here. Go ahead. I love this tool so much. Why are you... Okay, alright, now with all this stuff off, I kinda am seeing how this might actually do something, because like there's so many useless little holes. Like look at this in terms of airflow. Like it goes down, most of it can go out this hole if it's going that way. And then there's like this box here for no reason. This box is there for no reason. And I don't know where the other one is, but there's another box that's there for no reason. So this actually might do something. The smoothing it out, just making it so that it's all one thing. Who knows? I'm hoping it'll sound better, at the very least. I think this kit was like $100, but everything's nice and metal. It came with a big heat shield that is also metal. So I'm hoping that that does something. And we're moving over to a cone filter. So, I don't know. Hopefully this will do something, but who knows? I'm just assuming just because that'll do something, at the very least. So once you've got this on there, you're supposed to tighten that so that it holds on to the throttle body. And bonus points if you're doing this while the motor's hot still. That's why I'm doing it. I like a challenge. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten this down all the way so that this doesn't come off, and then put the other one on, tighten that right there. If anyone needs to know, this is a 12 millimeter that I'm tightening on here. So just get a 12 mil wrench and then tighten this down. Tighten. Alright, now with this securely mounted, we get to put the airflow sensor back in, and it just goes like this. Luckily it comes with new screws, so if you lose them, if you lose the originals, which I don't really know how you would do because you just took them out, you can use these ones. It's idiot proof apparently, which is good, knowing my past videos. Let me go ahead. This is nearly impossible to do with one hand, but I'm just a genius, so. Alright, so it took me forever to find that screw that I just dropped, and I've been swarmed by a hornet or a yellow jacket for the past couple minutes, so that's cool. Now we get to go ahead and put the mounting box back in, I think. Yeah, right here. We get to put this bad boy in. Done. After countless attempts, this being the biggest problem, I had to drill a hole here, and in the process I broke one of the clips for the hood latch, so I need to check and make sure that that still works. I had to readjust this a couple times. I had to put this on so many times, take this off so many times. If you're getting the impression that this is cheap, yeah. This was like the cheapest cold air intake that you could find for the FRS. Get something else. If you want something that looks nice and that's it, even then this isn't really the best. I'd recommend something else. How it sounds is gonna be what determines if I like it. Cause good God, I did not like installing that. I've installed a couple cold air intake kits before on a couple different cars, and this is by far the most difficult kit that I've installed. Doesn't help that it is 100 degrees out, but it's, I don't know how to explain it. It's like they've never seen the inside of an engine bay that this is supposed to go into. Because none of these lined up. You have to bend these into place. And it's just like, who designed this? I don't know. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and start the car up and see if it sounds any different. We'll go from there.